Hello, hi everybody. This is Midnight here. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Bradford Exchange leader of the PackWolfRing. I've been wanting to get this ring for some time. The other ring that I had wasn't the real one, and I found out about it. So, let's see. See inside what's new, special offers selected for you, for customers like you. And it says thank you. So let's go see what's inside of this. And so some cards, just some special stuff from the Bradford Exchange. So now we're gonna open up the bag. I had already pre-opened this bag already. I'm so excited because do be alarmed. There are fake stuff out there. So wolf head ring, size 13. Yes, I wear a size 13 ring, guys. That's the size of my finger. It's a size 13. Almost matches the size of my shoe size, actually. Actually, I wear a size 14 wide now. It's really weird because I used to wear a size 13, and for some strange reason, my foot just got bigger. And I thought, like, once I grew up, I would stop growing, and my feet would not get any bigger. But it actually did get bigger, so let's see. Something in here. So, caring for your jewelry. That's from Bradford Exchange. Probably tells me how to care for the ring. So, let's see if we can get this out of here. Alright, everyone. Here we go. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, that's pretty. Okay, that is a beautiful ring. And it has what was it? It has sapphire eyes in it. This is really beautiful. I actually love this. So I'm gonna put this on my finger, and I'm gonna see how it looks. It's heavier too. It's really heavy. It's really heavy. So it's a nice, beautiful ring. I like it. Alright, so alright guys, that's what it looks like on my finger. Oops, sorry. That's what it looks like on my finger. Which is, it's really beautiful. It's a nice detailed ring. And yeah, the other ones didn't even look like this. Alright, everyone. Thank you guys so much for enjoying. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell notification so you will get notified to when I upload a video. And become a channel member. Also support me on Patreon, and go follow me on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, and oops, sorry. I forgot to flip the camera over. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And become a channel member. Support me on Patreon. And go follow me on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And may the Spirit of Wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. And remember, everybody, wolves are worth saving. Okay? All right, bye.